don't know. Hello, we're going on a date. I'll show you guys my outfit. This is the very first time I'm wearing something like this here. And I feel awkward, but hi, it's Valentine's Day. This is my outfit. Come here, babe. And then my shoes are from, I don't remember, Zaful. My dress is from Shein. So sexy. We're kind of matching. Come here. You have trash.
I have trash.
What are you wearing? Do you remember? Where is it from?
I got no idea.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Show them the flowers.
And my bag is from Zaful as well. Meron siyang tassel-tassel na ganap. Why do you want me to show the flowers?
They're nice.
They are nice. He got me flowers today. I'll show you guys the flowers. He's really proud of this one. Orchids, actually. It's actually really pretty. Look at that. Tapos meron na siyang kasamang vase. Really pretty. He didn't get me rose, but he got me those. So pretty. I actually already posted on Instagram, babe. Where are you?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, you look good, babe. Why are we looking like this? I'm not comfortable at all. Oh, there's so many cars outside. Hala, babe. Ah, may klase nga pala. Di ko alam kung saan niya ako dadalhin. So, we'll see. Let's go. Date night. This is the very first time we're going to like a date. No. Like, you know that we're wearing like this. I'm not really comfortable. I feel really awkward wearing all these. You're good, babe. Wow, so many cars. I do not know where he's taking me. It's a surprise, he said, so we will see. He said Italian restaurant. So pasta, loco, laga, pasta. You look good, babe.
I know.
You look really good.
I know.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hello, vlog. Vlog you.
See? I don't like it. Don't be obvious, babe, because people are looking.
Who cares?
Yeah. I'm wearing heels, but still I'm really short. We were with that annoying couple.
Who are those weirdos?
Those are dating Valentine's Day.
And this is where we're going. Nino's. Here, babe.
Are we?
Yeah.
Oh. Is that? Oh!
It is Filipino. Yeah. Hello. Good.
Did you have a booking tonight?
Anna Daniel.
Daniel?
Yeah.
Nice.
Surprise. Who's the best? Me.
Just over here underneath the sign for me, okay? I'll meet you there.
Cool. How romantic.
How romantic. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Oh,
Smile.
look at me. The heart.
I know. Looks cool.
Nice.
Let's see what they got.
Jump in. Okay. Who did I see? Nandito kami sa Nimbios, La Visita. I'm surprised. Good job, babe. He said Italian restaurant, and then we're here. So I will get, they have entree platter for 2. So I'll get that kasi meron na siyang pork sisig, spring roll, empanada. And I was gonna get sisig anyway.
Pork and prawn dumplings.
Okay. Yeah. And then this. And then what's your main bit? The squid?
Gonna get like a large fried rice as well.
Large? Okay.
Yeah, get a large one.
Steamed rice, not fried rice.
You want steamed? You want fried?
You want fried?
You want steamed? It's up to you. What
Yeah,
you want.
steamed. We got our drinks. Lemon bitters.
No, you can get the one now.
What?
That's it. Italian any time though.
Yeah.
True.
Pasta.
Exactly.
That's the dishes shouldn't be too far away, okay?
Thank you. What was I saying? I was saying something. Never mind. We got our order.
What is
This
it?
is the entree for 2. So we have empanada made, spring roll. This is so good. And that's the vegetarian crab that they said.
Oh yeah.
But it's lumpia Shanghai. It's good, babe. I think you've tried this.
I have.
You have.
You have this,
At
mate. This
home.
is yours.
And then sisig. Yummer. Kain tayo. Masarap yung sauce.
What is it called, babe?
Stuffed. Did you hear me?
What is it?
Stuffed.
Thank you.
Safe. Kain tayo, babe.
Kain tayo.
Good job. Guys, yung nakita ko nung weekend sa Target, nandito siya. I'm not sure kung pwede yung, hindi ko alam kung, pero nandun siya sa likod, sabi ni Dan. Di ba yan yung babae? Tapos pag nag-iwan ko siya nga, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya. Do you remember her name, babe? I'm sorry. Nahihiya ako.
Wow. Wow.
It's a really nice mirror. Look at the picture here.
Can I just take a photo normally while recording?
We're done with dinner. Now we will go. Maglalakad kami papunta sa car park. And yeah, hala, I'm not in focus. I'm really full. It was so good. I mean, not like super good, but it's good to have Filipino
good.
food. It's the
Yeah.
only Filipino restaurant alive.
Last one left in Adelaide.
Sorry, babe?
Last one in Adelaide.
Yeah, right? How many did they have last time?
Remember that 3 or 4?
The rest closed down and yun yung natira. Sila na lang yung natira. I'm wearing heels and I feel so uncomfortable. Hala, Mini! Oh my gosh, I really like that color. It's kind of like, no, that one! Kind of like a dusty green color. I like it. Kailangan namin magbayad dito. Tapos yung car park na dito. Dun. So, hindi namin alam kung bakit dito sa hotel dapat magbayad. Pero, oh well. Gusto nila maglakad ako na naka-heels. So, go. Si Dan, first time niya magbayad sa parking. He usually doesn't pay at all. Like, he will park sa streets. But, because it's Valentine's Day, and I'm wearing a dress, he paid. How much did you pay?
$10.
It's so expensive. My gosh, we're poor.
360 euros to park here. No, pesos.
Pesos. Don't swear. Sobrang mahal ng parking dito, guys. So usually, hindi talaga nagpa-park si Dan dito sa mga ganito. Kasi nga, it's expensive. So we park on the streets. But today is a special day. As in, first time. We need to celebrate. We need to remember this day. February 14.
I don't think everyone has to pay
Dan,
for car parking.
Dan paid for car park. Huh, once in a lifetime. You're $10 poor, babe. He got this sa hotel, nakatabi ng Nino's restaurant. He got it for me to keep the map. As if I will use it, I still will not understand.
That is so easy to use. It's a box. It's just a box. The city's a box.
You know, I'm stupid when it comes to
They even
maps.
got Rundle Mall highlighted.
Good. That's all that matters, Rundle Mall. Okay, we're good. Put it in my bag, babe. I know where Rundle Mall is.
Sure, that's what you need.
Thank you, babe. Do you remember last time you gave me a map as well and I do not know where the map is? Because I've never looked at it.
To learn. You do, babe.
I have you now. I won't need a map. Well, when you're gone, I'm pretty sure I will know where to go already. So I don't need a map. I was gonna film you doing that. If I get a car, I don't think I will park in car parks anyway.
You couldn't reach.
I know.
You really quite close.
I couldn't reach. That's what I was gonna say. That's my joke, babe. You're stealing my joke.
horrible joke.
Oh gosh.
Horrible joke.
Your car though, this is really dangerous. It doesn't beep. Kung ako, ayaw mag-beep. Pero kung si Dan, nagbe-beep. We're going somewhere. We do not know yet where, but...
Centurions.
Oh!
You want a hot drink?
Oh, hot chocolate? Okay.
Do you want a hot chocolate or do you want something else?
I don't care. We are home. We were not able to get hot choco kasi sobrang busy sa mga cafe na pinuntahan namin. And yeah. So we went to Gelato Bello instead and we got ice cream. Now I cannot finish, so I'm gonna give this to Donnie boy. I got burnt caramel and Nutella and I cannot finish it. Babe,
Yeah.
you want my ice cream?
Yeah.
Of course you do. Here. I have makeup on today. First time to go out with makeup on. I mean, eye makeup, eyeshadow. Happy Valentine's Day, babe.
Oh God.
Why? Oh, good.
Oh God.
Why? Oh, gosh.
Off me, gold digger.
Off me cold. I'll go wash my face, tapos we will watch Married at First Sight. Tapos na siya actually, pero mag-ano lang kami sa internet, tapos i-play namin sa TV para pa rin kami nanonood. And it's gonna be good because there's no commercial breaks. So, papanoorin namin. So, yeah, I will close the vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you, babe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You look so good, babe.
I know.
Your new haircut looks really good on you.
I know.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget.
Very good.
Bye. Good night.